Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you a quick and easy way to transfer files from your old laptop to your new one. It's super fast, and all you need is an Ethernet cable, no fancy tech skills required. If you've got a router, you probably already have that cable lying around. Let's dive in. First up, we'll grab this open source software and get it installed. Once we've got it set up, I'll share the scan results with you so you can see how it works. Alright, now that we've got the scan results back, everything looks clean. There's just one detection, but it's considered a false positive, so you can rest easy. This file is safe to use. Make sure to install it in both the computers. Now, plug in that Ethernet cable to link your two computers. On your old computer, just click the Send button and choose the file or folder you want to transfer. After you've made your selection, you'll see your new PC's name pop up in the list. Just click on it to start transfer. Before you do that, make sure to enable the option to overwrite existing files. Sometimes, if there are files with the same name, it can create duplicates. Now, I am receiving files from my old computer. Here you can see that my Ethernet cable transfer speed is 1 gigabit per second, so I can transfer big games files in very less time. To test the speed of your Ethernet cable, all you need to do is follow these simple steps. Alright, my transfer is complete. I sent over one folder and it's showing the files separately right now. But no worries, all your files will actually be inside one folder once you check it out. With this tool, we managed to transfer a 45 gigabyte folder super quickly without even using the internet. Now let's get Fortnite transferred next! Now that both our games have been transferred, we saved a ton of time, and we didn't even have to re-download them on our new PC. Feel free to check this tool out. Its official links will be given below. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.